Our last project is your first opportunity to be super creative on your own. And so I have two different examples from last year that I've just saved and pulled up in a way that you can't tell who made them. But these projects are designed for you to show a little bit of your own creativity. You're going to pick a nursery rhyme and then you're going to animate it. So the first thing I want to point out is actually that both of these projects don't start the way they're supposed to. Both of them, to make the project start, I should just push the green arrow with the green flag, but they don't. So my first challenge to you is to read the directions well, make sure that your project starts on the green flag. This one, I think I even wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. I need to push the S key to make it start. And what it's going to do is it's going to work its way through the nursery rhyme. And it's got different parts talking. And so you can see it doing the talking. And it has to rotate and it has to move. And it does all of those things. And then they have a second verse. And they use this to show that you could put different costumes on your sprite. And they turn their handle green and they turn their spout green and then tip me over and pour me out. This project is got good points, but it has one major flaw. And that is that if right now I wanted to restart this project, if I just push the S to restart, it doesn't restart from the beginning. So if you are writing this correctly, it should be able to reset and restart and move everything back to the beginning state that it needed to be in. So I use this example because it's great. It has all of the things except that it doesn't restart correctly. So let's look at another example of a project that does restart correctly. This one they did the nursery rhyme Itsy Bitsy Spider. I push green and it doesn't start, but they have theirs coded so that it starts on a space button. So I'm going to push space. And they have their itsy bitsy spider crawling up the water spout. They have different backgrounds that they've used. And they've washed the spider out. You can see the spider is rotating. And they actually just designed all of this in paint and painted the different things. And the itsy bitsy spider goes up the spout again. And part of what I like about this is that this project restarts. And you saw it restart even from the rain background that wasn't anything from the beginning. When I push space, it goes back to the very beginning and has everything where it's supposed to be in exactly the right background and exactly the right costume. So those are things that I want to make sure that you are paying a little bit of attention to as you are working on your project. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Please don't use the teapot and don't use the itsy bitsy spider because now you've seen those and you have ideas. So come up with something creative on your own. Google different nursery rhymes. Wikipedia has a ton, but I can't wait to see what you come up with. Good luck.